Alright, what's up guys? So, sorry about that. Yeah, we were hungry. We had a long flight. We didn't get a chance to eat. So that was our first meal in, what, 24 hours?
Basically.
Yeah, a little over 24 hours, that was our first meal. So I had to stop and eat and couldn't do the whole vlogging thing. But our meal was perfect, perfect. It's right across the street from our hotel, so we'll probably be coming back here probably every morning. The name of the place is Studio Cafe. It is right behind me here. Nice little outdoor seating area as well, but it is too cold, as you can probably see from my jacket and the smoke coming from my mouth. And you too. You look very entertained right now. You're not even saying anything. Anyway, she's people watching as we stand here. But we are about to explore the city. We really don't know what we're gonna do. We think we're gonna see this castle that's up the hill. We are in, what is it called? Montmartre. That's where we're located right now.
Don't correct us because we don't really know how to pronounce it.
We don't know. Montmartre, we believe that's it. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and explore the area, see what we can do today. Today's kind of our day to
just get a feel of where our
surrounding is and things like that, because don't sleep, Paris has some hoods. So we just want to make sure that we're safe and, you know, we're kind of just getting a feel of the area. Alright, so stay with us guys. Sorry I had to move my arm in because there's people walking past. But stay with us guys. Let's go have some fun in Paris.
And earmuffs. If we had those, it would be a lot better.
How's it going?
It's going.
After eating?
I know. Literally shouldn't have eaten right before we decided to do this. But we're gonna keep going because we're gonna have 2 more flights.
We're almost there. Whew. Yeah. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted from these stairs. Oh my God. We're some unhealthy Americans, man. This is both of us. We did it. It don't mean that you it's any safer. Guys, just in case. Whew. This is all we want so far.
But you're not.
You think you make it to the top? And there's more stairs. Inside there. We tried to sneak as many shots as we could for you guys, but that was the best we can do. So all I have to say is you have to come here and see it for yourself. That's the best way to, you know, get a view. These vlogs and YouTube channels aren't going to do it for you. You got to see some more.
First-hand experience is always the best experience.
Yes, definitely. Right now we're exploring the cobblestone streets. We found this little beautiful area where we had some peace and quiet where we could film some more for you guys. Yeah. It's cold. It's cold. I'm trying my best for you guys, but it's freezing right now. I'm gonna have to do Paris again in the spring, which is beautiful too. And I like that the streets are quiet because it seems like any other time of year, this would probably be packed and feel like a tourist trap. But I'm gonna turn the camera around for you guys so you guys can take a look and see exactly how quiet it is here right now. Look at that. Look at these streets. The streets are empty. You got just a couple tourists around. But on a normal basis, this would be packed. I mean, look at this. The stairs is empty. You get a nice view. The cafes are all easy to get into. It is gorgeous out here right now. Only €2. We're gonna try some hot wine. How's that hot wine, baby?
It tastes better than cold wine.
Does it really?
It genuinely does. It's sweeter.
Oh my God.
Doesn't it?
Hot wine does taste better than cold wine. We need to do this at home, like this. guys can see Mona Lisa, but it's probably the least impressive thing in this entire museum, and I'm not kidding. We still have not seen the Eiffel Tower yet, which is crazy. So we're gonna head down to the Eiffel Tower now. We're gonna hop on the metro, do some local cheap way of getting around rather than Ubering everywhere. So we're gonna take you guys with us. Come on. I mean, you can't come to Paris without seeing the Eiffel Tower. Right now I'm kind of just waiting it out. I have a dinner cruise that is set up for later this evening, which is actually gonna leave from the base of the Eiffel Tower. So waiting on that, just kind of killing time. Probably gonna go ahead and find a cafe, chill out and relax for a little bit, get some warmth because it is freezing out here. Found my cafe. It's right across the street, so we don't have to walk too far when it's time for dinner. Hello, hello. All right, so made it to the dinner cruise boat. Currently just boarded, so we're sitting here waiting for the ship to take off. Okay. But it looks beautiful. Looks like this is gonna be pretty dope. We get a nice little fake candlelit dinner. Our bread is here waiting for us. Our glasses for our wine. The wifey.
I'm excited. This was a good choice.
What I really like about this boat, which is why I chose it over the others, is that it's fully glass floors. So that means no matter where you are on the river, we're gonna get a full view. Alright, this view ain't looking too good right now, but the ship is docked. Alright, so, but just know it gets better. It's really good.
Oh, I love you.
Love you too, baby. This is my soup, my Pimlique soup. And we got the prawns. How does it taste? I'm gonna go ahead and try some of my soup. Which is really good. As you can see, Golden switch with me like she always does, because she never likes what she orders, but she always loves what I order because I got a good tongue.
Did you enjoy yours, Ben?
Yeah, I enjoyed yours.
Okay, that's all that matters.
I enjoyed yours. Yes, I enjoy everything, but I'm just saying I tend to pick out the better food most of the time. I can't think of a dinner more romantic than this, guys. Now passing by the Grand Palace. If you guys see it in person, the lighting is so much better. The Statue of Liberty here. It's like she just stood right in front of it. It's like 3 feet tall. Small statue. So it lights up. And you have the Eiffel Tower. So we just finished our dinner cruise. Sorry, I've been drinking. Just finished our dinner cruise. Great time, some great sights that we saw here in Paris. Got a little extra money to splurge. Definitely worthwhile. You get 5-star dining, great food, unlimited drinks. I mean, it was a real fun experience. So something I definitely recommend. Check it out.